Dear F, how are you? Are you aware Ezzie doesn't exist? You've been catfished and it's embarrassing that you're so deep in denial. But you had a lot of red flags thrown in your face and still pretended she existed. Owned a 2-story home and 2 acres of land. Came from wealth and she was gonna come pick you up and whisk you away. You did to shanty is low, even for you, kid kinker. She didn't deserve to be treated like that, and you know how I feel about shanty. Ezzie isn't real.